Hello everyone, I'm Mary Rose Corrigan, Public Health Specialist for the City of Dubuque with an April 24th, 2020 COVID-19 update from the Dubuque County Public Health Incident Management Team. 10 new cases were added to Dubuque County's total since yesterday. As of April 24th, Dubuque County has 62 positive COVID-19 cases. This is the highest number of cases reported in one day for Dubuque County. In all, there is 1 in the 0 to 17 age group, 14 in the 18 to 40 age group, 31 in the 41 to 60 age group, the largest group affected in Dubuque County and in Iowa, 15 in the 61 to 80 age group, and 1 that is over 80. Also, 967 people have been tested in Dubuque County with 905 negative results. 5.6% of the cases tested have been positive. 15 people, or 29% of Dubuque County positive cases, have recovered to date. The state added 521 positive cases today for a total of 4,445 cases. Much of these is attributed to the special testing happening around the state. I am sorry to report 11 additional deaths are reported in the state today for a total of 107. This is the most deaths reported in one day for Iowa. With the additional efforts in testing, 31,973 tests have been administered. This equals to 1 in 98 Iowans have been tested. 30% of Iowa's positive cases are related to manufacturing, and 15% are healthcare workers. 282 cases are currently hospitalized in Iowa, and 1,604, or 36% of Iowans, have recovered so far. Today, Governor Reynolds announced the lifting of a couple provisions in earlier proclamations. The first is that beginning Monday, hospitals and clinics can schedule elective surgeries and procedures, provided they have adequate PPE and supply chains, and continue to accept and reserve rooms and ICU beds for COVID-19 patients, along with some other detailed requirements. Another noteworthy restriction being lifted is allowing farmers markets to open with specific social distancing requirements of vendors and customers, increased hygienic practices, and not allowing entertainment, performances, or special activities, nor common seating areas. Only vendors selling food and farm products will be allowed. Also in the news, the manufacturer of Lysol issued a statement. It says, due to the recent speculation and social media activity, RB, the makers of Lysol and Dettol, have been asked whether internal administration of disinfectants may be appropriate for investigation or use as a treatment for coronavirus. We must be clear that under no circumstances should our disinfectant products be administered into the human body through injection, ingestion, or any other route. RB further stated, as with all products, our disinfectant and hygiene products should only be used as intended and in line with usage guidelines. Please read the label and safety information. In a related note, since almost the beginning of this pandemic, there's been discussion or speculation on how the summer months would affect the viability of the coronavirus. Earlier this month, Dr. Anthony Fauci, the top U.S. infectious disease expert, and one of our new national heroes, I may add, acknowledged that warmer weather does affect other viruses, but he warned that it wasn't the solution to the pandemic. I've mentioned that before, that we can't count on the summer to end the coronavirus pandemic. It's continuing to spread in our southern states, and Singapore is getting hit very hard now with more cases. Even influenza pandemics throughout history have continued all year round. So while the sun and ultraviolet light may be great for our mood and vitamin D absorption, it will not be effective in killing coronavirus. In closing today, and looking forward to the weekend, continue to follow all the physical and social distancing measures in place. especially not socializing or recreating with individuals outside your own household. And limit even essential trips to the grocery stores and other places for food and necessities. And go outside and get some sunshine. Thanks for tuning in today. Let's all continue to be safe, be smart. When in doubt, don't go out, and remember, we're all in this together.